Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and we are here to read another letter sound story. Today's story is called The Bug. Read the story with me. The Bug, written by Mrs. Gronnert. I am the bug. I like the top. I like the hug. I like to eat the plum. I see the bad bat. I do not like the bad bat. The bad bat likes to eat the bug. No, bat, no. Stop. Do not eat the bug. Go, bug, go. Go to the rug. Urgh, I am the pug. I like the bug. No, bat, no. Do not eat the bug. Ah! No, pug, no! Urgh, ah! Urgh, I am the pug. I like the bug. I hope you enjoyed reading that story. Remember, you can read it again and again. I hope to see you soon.